Well, hey folks, 4,000 subscribers. Can't believe it. I don't even know 4,000 people. Well, I guess I do now. Just wanted to say thank you so much to each and every one of you that chose to subscribe to our channel, and you stayed subscribed, and that's awesome. Thank you so much for your love and support, and for the members, the paying members that pay every month just to support our channel. You guys, cream of the crop, I'm saying. But thank you guys so much. In celebration of 4,000 subscribers now, I don't even know what to do with myself. Let's give away some stuff. I've got a sticker. Yeah, it's old, but it's a sticker. Vinyl sticker. I've got 2 Butler custom patches, and of course a Butler custom shirt. So 4 prizes since it's 4,000 subscribers. And here's what I want to do. I told my wife, I'm like, I want to do something different for the 4,000 subscribers. I don't know why, but 4,000 subscribers just, I don't know. So it was special to me. It meant a lot. Oh, by the way, I scored this 1980s jacket for 40 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. Can you, sold. I had to jump on it. I had to get it. So my old jacket, if you want it, you can have it. I wanted the old school 80s jacket. I got to break it in, but man, it fits me like a glove. It fits so good. Got room to wrap up when I'm riding. It's a short one, but this isn't about a jacket anyway. I told my wife, you know, this 4,000 subscriber thing, it kind of got me in the feels. I want to do something different instead of just a first person commenting, getting something. Because, you know, some of you folks can't watch it when it first comes out. She said, why don't you do this? Which was a wonderful idea. I tell you guys, I married up when I married. She said, why don't you shoot the video, announce that you're going to give away the patches and the stickers and the shirts, and then give people like 3 or 4 days to comment, and then take every person that commented and enter them in. There's an app, I guess you can enter the names in, and it randomly draws. So we're going to be doing that. So you're going to see this video Monday, the 14th of October, and then Friday, I'm going to announce the winners. Sound good? I thought that's a good idea. So that way everybody gets a chance to get in on some free goods. And who doesn't like free? I guess unless it's a free ticket to jail. Don't know. Can I show you some things I'm working on that you're going to see in some videos coming up? I don't know why I ask you, because I'm going to show you. I got Lucy on the lift, and yeah, my Kickstarter went out. So I'm in the middle of getting her back on the road, because this coming weekend is supposed to be absolutely beautiful. I've got a sports bike, street bike, sports streeter bike sports. Gixxer 600 stator rectifier issue. You know, if you got one, you know they're bad. Suzuki decided on these year models, I think this is an 06, to put the rectifier right above the header pipes and right behind the radiator where absolutely no air can get to it. And of course, when rectifiers heat up, you know what happens. Bad things. So we're going to actually be relocating the rectifier up into the bottom of the air box before the filter, and getting him the good Ricks stator and rectifier kit. So I don't know if I'll be able to do a video on that, because I got to get it in and out pretty quick. And we got this Evo Road King that come in for a new cam bearing and new lifters. We're going to be doing that. That'll be fun. And over here, this is covered up because this is a surprise for you. Chase Spears from Pop's Pinstriping Garage. I don't know what he calls himself. He's a magician. He got done with the Ironhead 10s. I cannot wait to show you this, because, okay, when you deal with an artist like Chase or my other painter guy, Mr. Mike, you just give them stuff and say, just do it. Just do what you want to do with it. And 100% of the time, it always turns out better than you could have ever imagined or planned or said, well, I want this or I want, no. Just give it to them. Say, you're the artist, you do it. I cannot wait to show you this Ironhead tins. Then we're going to get this back on the lift, get our seat installed and all that good stuff, put our tins on, go, do a little bit in the motor with front ends already done. We're going, that's it. We're going to go down the road. This bike's going to have a new home to somebody. Of course, we got this Honda that come in for a no start issue, 1 cylinder's down, and I think some other stuff. So I don't know. Again, I don't know if I'll be able to shoot a video on that or not, because I just got this basket case in. Yeah, it's an Evo Springer, and it came in indeed as a basket case. There's a lot of things missing on this bike, but I love those Evo front end Springers. So we are going to be getting this on the road, and then all of this over here are the parts that came for it in a basket kind of thing. And then I've got all these parts in a tote for it as well, and the bags. It literally came in as a basket case. They've got another one that's even stripped down more than this that they want to get back on the road again. So that'll be a good time together in the shop. Also, the same couple that's doing that Springer Road Ready Edition, they have this beautiful set of Performance Machine Trinity rims with the wide swing arm, I believe for soft tail. Never been installed, never been ridden or put on a bike, and they are beautiful. So this big rear wheel here is a 280. Whoo! A 280, 18, I believe. And then the front is the same Trinity style to match, and it's a 21. Never been ridden. Rubber has never even been on the road. Still has all the nipples. This is for sale. If you're interested in a wide end rear kit with matching front rim, give me a shout. They'd love to sell it to you before I post it. Brand new, never on the road. Now I did notice, I don't know if it's, the front rim is pristine. It was still in the package. The rear rim needs to be cleaned up, but I don't think it's got, it might have just a little bit of pitting in a spot or two, but just from setting and being exposed. But the swing arm's good, just has surface rust on it. All right, so that's going to do it for this quick video. Just wanted to say thank you for 4,000 subscribers, and also comment, because that's how you win things. So just comment down there. You got till Friday, I believe, probably about Friday 9 o'clock East Central Time. I'm going to cut it off. So you got from today, Monday, all this week till Friday to comment. Then you're automatically entered into the drawing for the sticker, the patch, another patch, and a t-shirt. Now listen, if we ever hit 5,000, then I want to sign some hats, and you're going to get some good stuff. So really appreciate you so much. I never started this channel for subscriptions, but now that I've been in YouTube for a while, I'm learning that they're very important. Not so much as my number of subscriptions, just that you're so faithful. And I appreciate that. Tell your mama now, I said hi.